This video will show examples on how to divide polynomials. Our first question tackles dividing by a monomial, 5a squared times b. So what you do is you can split the numerator into three terms. So this becomes 25a to the fifth b cubed over 5a squared b minus 20a to the fourth b squared over 5a squared b plus 10a cubed times b over 5a squared b. Now we can use our rules about exponents to simplify each of these terms. So this becomes 5 a to the power of 5 minus 2, or a cubed, and b to the power of 3 minus 1, or b squared. Then we have minus 20 over 5 becomes 4. We have a to the fourth minus a squared, which leaves a squared. B squared minus b over b, which leaves b, plus 10 over 5, which is 2, times a cubed over a squared, which is a, times b over b, which is just 1. So this is our final answer. Now let's look at how to use long division to divide by something that is not a monomial. So we'll put this number here, and we'll put x plus 2 outside of it. Now, we figure out how many times does x go into x squared? The answer is x. So we'll write in x here. We can go off to the side and compute x times x plus 2. And this gives us x squared plus 2x. So we can write in an x squared plus 2x here. And now we will subtract this. This gives us negative 7x minus 2x, or negative 9x. Now we will bring down the minus 18. Again, we will look at the first terms of each of these, x and minus 9x. Negative 9x divided by x is simply equal to negative 9. So we'll write a negative 9, and then we can go off to the side again and compute x plus 2 negative 9. So this is negative 9x minus 18. At this point, we can write in negative 9x minus 18. We have a remainder of 0. So this means that x squared minus 7x minus 18 divided by x plus 2 equals x minus 9. What if we want to use synthetic division to divide by a binomial whose coefficient is not 1? In this case, we have a leading coefficient that is 3. So let's see what to do in this case. What we can do is factor out a 3. So we have a 12x cubed minus 7x squared plus 4x minus 3. And where we have 3x minus 1, we'll factor out a 3. This leaves us with 3 times x minus 1/3. So we'll write that in here. Now, we can divide each of the coefficients of the numerator by 3. This would give us 4x cubed minus 7/3 x squared plus 4/3 x minus 1. This is our numerator, and we're dividing that whole thing by x minus 1/3. So now we can use the same method we used in the previous example. We'll write down all of the coefficients. So we have 4, negative 7/3, 4/3, negative 1. We take the opposite of this number right here, so that is 1/3. Draw a line. Bring down the first coefficient. Multiply by 1/3. So this gives us 4/3. Add. Multiply. Add. Multiply. And add. This means that we have as our answer 4x squared minus x plus 1 minus our remainder over the denominator. Now we can simplify this entire fraction right here by multiplying everything by 3. So if we multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 3, this can simplify to 2 over 3x minus 1. And so our final answer can be written simply as 4x squared minus x plus 1 minus 2 over 3x minus 1.